Jerry!
You know, it was nice not hearing that for a whole week.
Yeah, wasn't it? Did you miss me?
No, not really.
Oh, that's really nice. So a little update here. I was out for a week. It was wonderful. Nobody there. You guys probably didn't even notice because I had videos up for when I was gone. Jerry has a Caprice. What do you got going on this thing?
Heads, cam, full exhaust.
Wow, you just bringing the energy, Jerry.
Yep.
Which is take a hiatus from Red Bulls.
I had one this morning, but just not doing the same energy for me. Not bringing the same energy.
Well, that's what happens when you become used to them. I think you have a Red Bull problem. So once you've done the exhaust, we'll take a look at the engine bay. I'm assuming you're all done that, since headers and everything are on.
Almost.
Okay. Let's check on Matthew. Got a little C7. Little C7 Z. What do you got going on this thing?
I did a lower balancer. Doing LT4 lid.
It already has an LT4 lid.
New style LT4 lid.
17 plus. I guess it was 15, 16 were the lower ones.
Doesn't matter, nobody cares.
Yeah, it's out. And then meth?
Yeah. I started doing meth the other day.
Nice. You know, you probably are upset that you didn't get to go snowboarding yet this season.
That does upset me, actually.
So there you go.
I was just telling Eric about how upset I was about that.
See, I believe it. So deep down, you're.
You don't invite me. My other friends don't invite me.
I was with my family.
It's fine.
It was a family vacation.
Not a big deal.
I'm sorry, you're not family, Matthew.
I wouldn't want to be your family.
Yes, I wouldn't want you to be either. Get on that. Now that Jerry's got this thing lowered down, you can take a peek at those Frankenstein RPM series heads. A little hard to see the RPM, but I know it's there.
It's there.
You guys did baseline this. I saw the text. I don't have the baseline video, but we have numbers. That's more important.
Yep.
This one too.
Yep. Thanks.
Should have videotaped it.
I was going to do it on my phone, but
Yeah,
I
why
would
didn't
if I had
you?
a fancy new phone. But this
Yeah, I
one's
got an
probably
iPhone 8. It would look like Minecraft.
No, only if it was an Android.
Android's real bad.
Yeah.
If my friend wants to send me something like via picture, I tell him he's got to do it Instagram because that's the only way I get a good quality.
Oh, imagine sending video from an iPhone to an Android or vice versa.
Yeah.
It literally looks like a Nokia
Yeah.
cell
Exactly.
phone.
Nokia actually looks better
Yeah.
in some cases.
Cool. So
But yeah.
I guess all you got left is intake, and that's it.
Intake and radiator. Got to get a new radiator because of this nipple. The peacock.
Ooh, I love nipples. It's cracked.
Someone, yeah, they just decided to do that.
Oh yeah, that's not really a good place. I mean, I'm sure it
I
works.
mean, it wasn't leaking, so hats off, but it's not the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
I think I can swap that over.
Fred also had his street car on the dyno, which I think is now sold.
Yeah.
So nothing you guys really need to worry about. We did some things that didn't need to be filmed while I was gone, which is good. That black C7 Matt finished up. That'll be hitting the dyno soon.
We had a party every day when you weren't here.
Yep, we also have that black C6Z, the broken valve spring. That'll hit the dyno soon as well. Oh, damn it. Damn you to hell, Jerry.
Stevie phone calls.
So yes, this thing is all finished up. We were waiting for me to get back for it to hit the dyno, but we will take a look. So we'll see how this turned out. Obviously I got the first part of the build, but not the last. That's okay. That looks really good. That matches nicely, Matt. Did you put them next to each other? That looks really good.
Yeah,
So,
you did a fantastic job on.
So yeah, we did heads, cam, pistons, rods, headers, intake manifold, AFE intake, Nick Williams throttle body. Already had a Corsa exhaust. It is an auto, and as we said before, the drop-in CPE pistons that go in these LTs that we use are actually a little bit lower compression than stock compression. So on an NA setup, it definitely won't make as much as a stock piston rod combo because the compression's lower. But he is preparing it for boost just like that 6th gen Camaro that we just did. So while you're doing a cam, that is the time to do the pistons and rods. Get it out of the way while we're there. You'll still make mid 500 wheel, which is awesome. And then when he wants to put a blower on it, make another 200, if not more. And then Eric has the ZR1 pretty much wrapped up. Clutch done. Meth plumb.
Yeah.
Nice new alternator.
We're not pretty much wrapped up, but
You're getting close.
getting along. I got the tanks installed, the ice tank wired. I got to run the ice tank now. The meth tank's wired. Meth controller mounted in the dash or in the console.
So I didn't really miss very much.
I just got my heads back on Thursday before I left and got that knocked out. So I'm out my heat exchanger now and all that.
Almost tripped on the stool. Too bad it wasn't on camera.
You sure did.
My legs are sore. So yeah, stage 4, C7 Z, fuel system, mess system, cam package, valve covers, porta blower, pulley, intake, quartz 5-inch intake, our expansion tank, lower. What else we got?
I don't know. You're
2, 3 up.
spouting off at the mouth. You had a little vacation, so you're good now?
Yeah. I just need one of those a month. I'll be good.
That's what I do. I need one every 5 years. I don't even take that.
Yeah. What's the last one you did? Was the Porsche thing out in California?
Yeah, that wouldn't. I mean, that was only like a. I think like a. That was like a weekend kind of trip. I think we left like Thursday, and when I went to Mexico was last time. That was 4 years ago. But before that, it was. I couldn't even tell you.
Bill just got back from Mexico.
I know.
Okay.
Eric went away this weekend.
Yeah, one.
You went away. Bill's in Mexico.
Yeah.
And me, Matt, and Andrew just fucking working.
Oh, working, is that what you call it?
Yeah.
It's,
Someone's gotta keep the lights on in this place.
yeah. To go to see what this thing made baseline. I forgot this is the one that broke up real bad. We couldn't get it in a real good baseline.
I was gonna say I pulled up to baseline and I noticed that we only needed one pole.
Yeah, it broke up real bad. But hey, the good news is we pretty much replaced everything that would cause that from happening. So new plugs, new wires, new valve springs, literally everything. Who knows what was causing it? Probably plugs or something.
Probably just you being around it.
Yeah, that's probably a good one.
Yeah. Like just the waves of like you.
My bad aura.
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
But yeah.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
We're dialing in meth right now. Obviously not a full pull yet. Got the air fuel right with meth and tuning and everything, but 767, 811 torque, really good torque. Power so far?
Yeah.
Pump gas and meth?
Yeah. I'll get some more out of it too, but probably make 800.
Yeah. It's getting close. It's almost like the Z01 that you didn't believe me to get to 800.
I didn't believe you.
You didn't believe me.
I mean, I'm the one tuning the car.
Yeah, I know, but...
It's just like... I mean, I knew how much power it had out of it.
Yeah, sure. Whatever you say.
I know.
Whatever makes you feel
I mean,
better.
you're right. It is whatever I said.
You're right. I am right. You said it. I'm right.
Yeah, you're right.
See?
Because everything I say is right.
No, that's all. That's all I needed. Just that little sound clip right there.
You're right. It is. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It is. You're right.
See my new ringtone?
Can you still make ringtones?
I don't know. I'll make it a text alert. Every time you text me, it's just gonna go, you're right.
Can you still do that though?
Yeah. You have to use like your iTunes, like plug in your phone into the computer and you can make a sound.
Who does that anymore?
I don't know. Just saying you can.
I don't even think I have iTunes on my computer.
Yeah, I don't.
You don't need to.
No. Got myself a mean deliciousness.
I thought about drinking one of them this morning. But then I opted not to.
Oh, it's so good.
There is,
It's way better now that you turn the fridge on too.
dude, they're so much better.
They're ice cold.
Yeah, they're so much better than they were.
Like any colder, they would be frozen.
Yeah, but they're great. Like before they were,
Cold.
yeah, they were cold. Before, they would be cold like when you first drank it, but after like a couple minutes, they wouldn't be cold. Like now they stay cold the whole time you drink it. There's a new monster out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's called Ultra Gold.
Ooh, gold, eh?
Yeah, right up your alley.
Ooh. Have you seen the gold?
It's a zero sugar guy too.
They're pretty sick.
Oh, it's like in the same relationship as like the white ones.
Oh, okay, sick.
It's like a pineapple flavor.
I don't know about pineapple, but I would try it.
Oh yeah, I would try it. It says that it's like light pineapple.
It might be really good with some vodka.
Maybe. I don't drink vodka. It has a new flavor in the Ultra family. It's Ultra Gold. Its latest use has a light pineapple flavor.
Well, if anybody feels inclined to send that,
We'll do a review. One sip, everyone knows the rules.
we should all taste it.
It's the same one.
I can't do the one that tastes like breast milk.
Yeah, Eric likes that now.
I know, he likes breast milk.
What's funny is that none of us know what breast milk tastes like, but when we drank it, we all said that if we had to guess, that's what it would taste like.
Yeah. I forget what guy sent us to him there. It was like one we've never seen. He was like, I don't know if you guys have seen this, and I've never seen it.
It was a guy who sent us all the coffees.
Oh,
remember he sent us the mini mochas and like the espresso. We don't have any of them left, I don't think, do we? You guys drank all
those
that.
the first week.
Yeah, I thought so. They're like the espresso mini monsters. Yeah, we're out of them.
But yeah, it's like a oats something or other.
Something oat. It's made with oat milk or something like that. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Whatever.
But at first we were all like, oh, that's gross. And then even Eric said it was gross. And then a couple weeks later, he's drinking them.
Yeah, he can have them all to himself.
Which is pretty funny.
In it right now.
update on the ZR1. Eric's got his ice tank lines run up all through here, nice and neatly done. Pretty much the same way he did Louis' car.
Yep.
looks so much better. All of the fittings.
What's for lunch, boys?
Wow.
That is impressive.
Maddie's trying to save money.
Let's check on the Jerster.
Jebediah.
What do you got going on, Jebediah?
Pulling heads off this thing.
Okay. So this is a Grand Sport C6. The guy bought it like this, brought it in for a tune. We had it on the dyno, and it was making no power. Like
About 7.
like 150 down of what it should. It wasn't really scheduled for work. Pushed aside for a while because it was just here for a tune. And then we had to basically put them on the schedule to do stuff, so pushed aside for a little while. Now we're ripping it apart, trying to figure out what's wrong with it. I think we're going to end up doing our heads cam setup to it because he's not really sure who's. Obviously it's got ARP. I don't even remember what this thing was making, like 580 or something, like just no power. Heads cam blower, like we've had LS3 heads cam blower cars make 800. So one thing I also did not show you guys yet because I was away. This is a C6 LS2, has an A&A kit on it. It made really good power before, a lot of power actually. Customer wanted to make more, turn it up. Obviously that stock bottom end was maxed out. So we have a new Texas Speed short block. Matt has already put everything together. New Frankenstein heads. So this thing is going together. A&A kit and everything will go back on. And we'll be able to make a little bit more power. More torque, definitely. I think is it a 416?
It is.
Okay, that's what I thought. So a little bit more torque. We're going with a smaller pulley as well, only because it's probably going to make less boost if it was on the same pulley.
It definitely makes less boost.
Yeah. It might even make less boost with the smaller pulley that we're putting on. We'll see. It's hard to say. God, those Frankenstein heads look good.
Yeah, they're badass. Just like that.
And is that all, pretty much? Anything else to do? A clutch or anything?
No.
I didn't know if
Yeah,
you-
the cloud, isn't
Do you have the cloud?
Yeah, it's got McLeod in it.
Alright, that makes a lot more sense.
What we want to do is check timing, but by the time you pull the front cover, he's already got the heads off. The motor can just come out of it because it's honestly,
That's probably a good idea.
yeah.
Could be like that Z01 you did. So we were just saying, Jerry said the engine is coming out of that. We're going to check timing and everything because, like I mentioned before, it was crazy down on power and all sorts of stuff, and we want to go through everything possible.